Social activist Sanjoy Ahanthem has urged Chief Electoral Officer CEO of Manipur to publicly clarify the authentic background and official details regarding Saikot Assembly Constituency MLA Paolienlal Haokip, who won his seat on the BJP ticket. In a statement released via video, Sanjoy Ahanthem cited reports circulating across social media and mainstream news platforms stating that MLA Paolienlal Haokip was born in 1974. However, neither his name nor those of his family members allegedly appeared in the electoral rolls of Manipur or Saikot Assembly Constituency up until 2021. Raising serious concerns over the discrepancy, the activist questioned whether the legislator and his family resided during the preceding 46 to 47 years before securing office. He noted that such an absence from the electoral record without the traceable background raises grave questions about how he emerged to become an MLA. Sanjoy stressed that the CEO office must address the public's doubts by publishing verified data. Highlighting these anomalies, the activists reiterated the demand raised by various CSOs for an immediate implementation and update of NRC in Manipur to identify and deport illegal immigrants to their respective origins prior to conducting census operations. Furthermore, referencing media reports on several discrepancies found in the draft electoral roll under the Special Intensive Revisions SIR across Churachandpur, Chandal, Technopal and Ferjol districts, he urged Manipur government to constitute an expert committee to thoroughly investigate the issue. He warned that failure to take timely action could lead to indigenous population becoming marginalized and ultimately driven to extinction amid unchecked influx.
Village listing on job on something no chonkalaki aikogi Manipur gi sarkar gi record su leiro ado batar gi Manipur da kayam yamba atopa boundary gi ngamkhai gi wang de gi changchila ko illegal immigrant kayam yamna leram gani have sai matam koina jo hai jar ga lai lebak miyam da it is not for thousand gi number nati lakhs ni lakh tara gi mathak te hena leram gani have sai kuram sing na phawi maram masina Manipur ki tongan civil society organization singna lauraga laiba population census houdring da NRC hana tawraga kangon kaina changsilakhiba adugumba illegal immigrants sing si mapung fana detection tawba adugo makoi sing se voter list dagi ama tongan basing dagi makoi se delete tawraba matungda magi lamda deport tawkiba punghangiba adugi matungda madu Masi karina ngamgani NRC is the best means. NRC is the fight to the mechanism ni